Okay, so whenever you receive a patient on ventilator from OT or from outside ICU, or even when your shift is starting, always auscultate the air entry on both sides of the chest. Because if the air entry is decreased on the left side of the chest, it is possible that the tube, endotracheal tube, is too in and it is in the right bronchus and obstructing the left bronchus and it causing the left lung collapse. Now here you can see that this is the carina. This is the carina and this is the endotracheal tube. It is too in. It is blocking this left bronchus, and therefore you can see there it is more white. It is the left lung is getting collapsed while the right lung is okay. The saturation has fall. So what we did is we pull the tube, and now you can see the level is this, and now the air entry is equal on both sides of chest. So what should be the position of endotracheal tube? It should be at 5 to 7 centimeter above the carina, or at the level of T2 to T3 vertebrae. So where the clavicles are meeting, this is a good marker to adjust the endotracheal tubes. So do read more about it.